Hi, it's Miss Britta again. We're still working on week 1 and I wanted to show you some fun things you could do with one of the activities we suggested. It was draw 5 circles. Some of you have been practicing circles for a long time, but I'm going to show you the special way I do it so that I think about math concepts while I do it too. A circle. A circle is a curved line. A circle is a curved line. Round and round it never stops. A circle is a curved line. They can be very, very tricky. If we practice a curved line, it will help us be better writers later. Now my job was to write 5 circles, so I'm going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding my pen just like this so my fingers get super strong. That's how we practice our fine motor. Now, if you've been practicing and this is a little bit easy for you, I have a challenge. Put on some music. Draw circles while the music is going. And then, when your grown-up pauses the music, stop! And start your circles again when the music starts. I'll show you. Wonder how long I'll have to wait before I can draw circles again. Wow, I made a lot of circles while the music was on. That helps my brain to listen, and it helps me to tell myself when to start and stop. That's important for being a learner. Thanks for coming to play. We'll see you next time.